Hi everyone, this is Lisa and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, we are going to open a box of happiness. It's actually a gift from one of my friend. Ito yung YouTube channel niya. Everything Nice at Me, Chocolate Love. Please do subscribe and watch her video. Napaka-informative na mga video ni Sisi. So, ito yung box na pinadala niya sa atin. Ito yung name ng seller and contact number. If you are interested, you can text or give a call dun sa sender or seller. So, let's start opening the box. So, yung plant mail na to is inabutan ng holidays. Yung LBC branch kasi dito sa amin is closed ng December 25 and 26. So, hindi ko rin alam kung na-stranded ba yung plant meal sa ibang branch kasi 'di ba nag-holidays nga. Pero we are hoping na healthy pa yung mga plants na nasa loob ng box. So, it took me a long time to figure out how to open this box kasi it's a different kind of box. Sanay kasi ako dun sa kilo box ni LBC. So, eto ibang klase, parang rectangular na mas maliit siya. So, but I finally figure it out, kaya lang it takes time. And as you can see, it's well packed inside. So, yung unang paper na nilabas ko sa box, and the second one too, is parang fillers lang siya. So, walang laman. So, yung unang nakuha ko is a free. And there's another free. So, let's take out first lahat ng laman ng box para mas mabilis tayong mag-unwrap kasi medyo limited yung space sa working table ko kasi hindi pa ako nakakapag-ayos dito sa garden kasi katatapos lang din ng holidays. And then, limited lang yung space ng working table kasi nandito sa working table ko yung mga variegated gymnocalycium and yung pinadala ding gift ni Sisi Mitch last Christmas na mga succulents. Actually, yung Leticia na nakikita niyo sa video and yung wave light, yan, mga gifts yan ni Sisi. Napaka-generous ni Sisi Mitch. Thank you so much, Sisi Mitch, for your another gift. More blessings to you. And I'm so thankful that I found a friend like you. And also, hi to Sis Jeremy. So, please do visit the YT channel of my friend to Jeremy Hermano. May succulents and cacti din siya, variegated gymnocalycium and astrophytum. So, let's start unwrapping. The first one is a free and this one is a free too. So, it's a Madiba. So, the third one that I wrap is, I think na-UP siya dun sa loob ng box. Parang naipit, parang naging flat siya. But it's okay. So, I don't find any mushy leaves. Ito naman, twin head siya. So, I'm planning to repot it na paghiwalayin. So, ayoko talaga ng twin head. Pero, kasi madali siyang mamatay, ganun, pag nadidiligan. So, most of the succulent that I have unwrapped is dehydrated. Yung iba may roots na, yung iba konti, yung iba madami. Most of them are dehydrated, which is good. Kasi mas maganda kung marireceive yung plant is dehydrated kasi once na nagka-roots naman sila, madali lang silang i-hydrate. Didiligan mo lang or imo-moist mo. Unlike pag mushy, you cannot pot them kasi they will absorb more moisture from the soil. So, ang ginawa ko lang is ni-remove ko lahat yung mga dried leaves para malinis na rin yung mga succulents. So, it's most of them are token sizes but they are so beautiful. I think mabilis naman to makaka-recover and I think ipapat ko na rin to after natin sila i-unwrap kasi dehydrated nga sila, they have to be moist. Kaya lang hindi nga ako nagmo-moist after potting, lalo na ngayon umuulan. Anyway, sa morning naman makakakuha siya ng morning dew. So, ipapat ko na din siya after natin siyang i-unwrap. Pero hindi ako magmo-moist or magdidilig. Ipapat ko lang. Then, siguro after 5 days, tsaka ako siya imo-moist. So, ang gaganda nila, they're all healthy at I'm so thankful kay CC and also sa seller kasi maganda yung pagkaka-air dry niya. Kasi kung hindi maganda, malamang masya na itong mga to or sira na kasi ang tagal niyang nasa transit kasi inabutan nga siya ng holiday. So, let's have a final look ng mga succulents na in-unwrap natin. Thank you so much, CC, for your gift. More blessings to you. So, like what I have said, we are going to pot agad yung mga succulent na in-unwrap natin today na hindi ko usually ginagawa kasi usually ang ginagawa ko is after unwrapping, I let them rest for 24 hours. But this time, after assessing the succulents na very dehydrated, we have to pot them immediately. So, my usual soil mix pa rin ang ginagamit ko. It's 50% loam soil and 50% pumice stone. So, yung loam soil na nabibili ko dito sa area namin is composed of garden soil, vermicast, carbonized rice hull, and rice hull. And then, I top it with a little bit of osmocote on top of it para mas mabilis sila mag-roots. And it's also fine to fertilize them kasi it's their growing season. So, I use square white pots and the size is 3 by 3. And then, we are going to use black sand for the top dressing. So, madali lang silang ipot. Kaya, gusto ko din yung mga Echeveria. Kasi, you just have to put it on top of the soy mixture. And then, top it with your desired top dressing na on this video, I use naman black sand. So, yung iba, kung nakikita nyo, parang medyo malaki siya dun sa pot. Right now, ito lang kasi yung available na pot na meron ako and eventually, pag nag-root yan, medyo liliit sila. Yun yung napapansin ko sa mga succulents once na nirepat mo sila. Lalo na pag nakapag-adapt na sila dito sa weather, medyo lumiliit sila. So, thank you so much again, CC, for all these succulents. Apakadami mo ng gifts sa akin. Hindi ko na alam kung paano ako magpapasalamat. And i-mention ko na rin na yung tools na ginagamit ko na color pink na kung nakikita nyo sa video, it's also a gift from CC Mitch. So, ayan. Para na ako may sponsor, di ba? Anyway, kasi me and CC Mitch, hindi naman talaga kami personally magkakilala. Actually, hindi pa kami nakikita. We just met in the YT world o yung YouTube world na vlogger siya ng mga succulents and cacti. And at the same time, I am a vlogger too of succulents and cacti. So, we have the same interest hanggang sa nag-chat na kami through FB Messenger. And then, yun, nakilala namin yung isa't isa hanggang halos araw-araw na kami nag-chat. Wala lang, nagtatanong lang kami, kamusta na yung succulents mo, ganun. Anong gagawin mo? O kung may tanong ka, anong tawag dito, ganun. So, we share informations din. Kasi ganun naman talaga eh. Di ba parang sa FB lang din, we find friends there na tinatawag natin mga online friends. Sa YT world, it's the same thing. You can find friends. Pero ang maganda lang sa amin kasi ni Sisi Mitch and ni Sis Jeremy Hermani, naging close kami. Kasi nga, nag-chat kami. We share information also kung how to grow or how are we going to make our succulents more healthy. Yun, we share information. Okay, and we also share information kung saan kami bumibili ng soil mix, ng succulents, ng cacti, and even pots. Masaya din naman maging isang vlogger kasi nakakamit ka nga ng mga new friends and eventually you become close. So, we're planning to meet, kaya lang hindi namin alam kung kailan. Kasi si Sisi Mitch is working, she's a nurse, and 12 hours duty siya, so medyo busy din talaga siya. And isa pa, malayo sila kasi it's from Nueva Ecija sila, ako naman is from Silang Cavite. So, if ever na mag-meet kami, maybe we need to schedule it para lahat kami available. Hopefully, ma-meet kita si Mish and si Jeremy Hermano. See you soon. Kailan kaya yon? So guys, please do subscribe to YouTube channel of Everything Nice at Mish Chocolate Love. And also, Jeremy Hermano. Marami kayong matututunan sa mga vlog niya. Parang vlog ko rin at napakadami din nilang collection na ma-share sa inyo. So, we're almost done potting the succulents that Sisi Mitch gave us. So let's have a final and closer look of each one of them. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye.